you're likely doing your taxes wrong. And the reason is simple. Most people with 1099 income don't realize what they actually are in the eyes of the IRS. I am Noura and I help business owners and independent workers stop overpaying in taxes. Today, I want to explain why having a 1099s mean you are already operating a business, even if you don't think of yourself that way. When you receive a 1099, it means you are not an employee. You are considered self-employed. And here's the key point most people miss. The IRS treats you as a business, even if you do not have an LLC, you did not register a business, and you don't see yourself as a business owner. From a tax perspective, you are operating a business, and that changes everything. Because you are treated as a business, you are eligible for business deductions. The same type of deductions people associated with LLCs expenses for supplies, equipment, phone and internet, home office, mileage or vehicle use, education and tools related to your work. These are not LLC only deductions. They are business deductions, and 1099s earners qualify for them the same way. The problem is many 1099 workers file their taxes as if they are just individuals with extra income. So they end up paying tax on money they did not actually keep. The biggest mindset shift you need, most 1099 earners say something like, I am not a business, I am just a freelancer, I just pick up a contract. But the IRS does not see it that way. Once you earn income on a 1099, you are responsible for tracking income, tracking expenses, paying self-employment tax, filing correctly as a business activity. When you don't approach your taxes with a business mindset, you almost always overpay. Not because you did anything wrong intentionally, but because you don't know better. Let me clear up another common misconception. You do not need an LLC to take business deductions. An LLC is a legal structure, not a tax requirement to deduct expenses. Many 1099 earners can and should deduct legit business expenses before they ever form an LLC. Now, does forming an LLC or changing your structure something make sense? Yes, but the decision should be made strategically, not emotionally or by default. Most 1099 earners overpay because they don't track expenses properly. They don't understand business deductions. They don't plan quarterly, and they don't realize they are already running a business in the eyes of the IRS. Taxes are not just about reporting what happened.